I am ready for mention. I am ready to mention Kotoko player's name. I am ready for mention Kotoko player's name. I am ready to mention Kotoko player's name. Listen to me, Ghanaians. As a Kotoko fan, I am Kotoko big fan in Ghana. Do you understand to me? Do you understand to saying? Please listen to me. Ghana for some treful ni bi. It me kase. And then nkran hwe for ehwe amonane games. Nkran ti me boba safo prayers. Nkran akra be 5 years to 12 years, eko 18 years. Omo hwe Spanish La Liga, English Premier League. Ene Jamo Bundesliga, ene Inteles Real. Ene League 1 of France. Na nkran koto na ye maburu na wo Ghana ande. Me be say me de Ghana sem twerefo wo say Ghana for nkra mo free 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, be 18 years. Ye furu Ghana Premier League. Akra bi na wo maka chem so hwe Ghana Premier League. I am telling you the truth. I am telling you the fact. Me be bobo me be mention kotoko players me mention omudiri me bobo mudiri one by one. Me the free goalkeepers, ebe defenders, akọ midfielders, e dey aba strikers, e dey akọ wingers, akọ strikers nyina. I am telling you the truth. Me kire wo say me check Ghana for say mtwe from tete wura do so TV stage so say ene enkran hwe Ghana Premier League, ene enkran nyina hwe for leagues no. English Premier League in La Liga no mane Serie A no mane Bundesliga no no League 1 just mo hwe Ghana Premier League in Saudi Arabia bia wo na do wo no. This is for is liar. I am ntro na mu twanya no kore. I am telling you the truth. Anya no kore. Me hwe Ghana Premier League no pawe no mere. Star Times, Group TV, Alpha. Me hwe Ghana Premier League just every Sunday, every Saturday bia. Mama start free keepers now. I am mentioning Kotoko player's name. I am mentioning maybe within one by one. I am telling you the truth. Freddy Casale, a goalkeeper. Kamala, a goalkeeper. Me could defenders no. Abro, a defender. Samba Wune, a defender. Patrick Kasiedu, a defender. Mame ko finfin. Ye wo Emmanuel Ntwi wo. Ye wo Lord Amwa wo. Emmanuel Ntwi, Lord Amwa. Emmanuel Ntwi, midfielder. Lord Amwa, midfielder. Endusunti menu, enso midfielder. Do you understand to saying? Endusunti menu, Emmanuel Ntwi, Lord Amwa, Justice Nkuku Brain, Winks no. Petame du akwa. Ene Saka Dauda. Enso bo Winks. Wingers for no. Petame du akwa. Ene Saka Dauda. Ya kwa anim wono ma ya waze kiminta eduku wo ho Kwame Poku enso abeka ho enso wo ho ene abeti amoa champion striker abeti amoa superstar ba gope ewurade nyankopon ye wotene dunum just omo ma bobo kotoko nso omoko ehie me pa strikers ni bi na midfielders na mebomudin so akire wo no me sure say me follow Ghana Premier League me hwe Ghana me ti Presma bobo kotokwa areta ikura na ache. We take Ghana players ikura na me swakete kura. Me nyu baby awu. I tell you the truth. Eric Bequin, Chastela, Dongote. Dongote amo hasifu kwa na kotoko pe na ye nya no mebua. Chastela amo hasa mebo kotoko. Chastela ba ko pe mebua. Me twa ntoro. Eric Bequin no kotoko striker. Eric Bequin no kotoko striker. Stevie Mukwala me bokotoko sa ene woko. Stevie Mukwala strike ba kokko ye hye me pa ni Stevie Mukwala. Ene Imbela on free Kamelu. Infege on free Kamelu. O manya bokotoko. Eta be cheme say ye nkrane aye sesu ni ntimi Ghana for sem trefo ti radio TV stage to cancel hunu ni sem fon ensem ehia say akora be no Ghana bi bokot the team or support Ghana as e kura players din. I am kotoko fan. Na ma bokotoko players di akire wo no. Damn. I say, Ghana Premier League. Mupam, Monsumara, Namomi Mensumano. Asa wafo. Mo te radio TV station mo nka no kora nkyerɛ nipa.